Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPad Pro 11 2022, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port, USB Type-C charging port on your device. Okay, firstly remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. As you can see, there is something in my charging port. In my charging port there is something that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which I no longer use. Toothbrush is the best tool to clean your USB charging port because it can't damage your USB port and moisture protection. So just insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just try to pry the dirt out. Just try to pry it out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.